Casa Feliz is located at 6C Forest Hills on more than 1 acre of prime real estate and boasts 20 luxurious apartments consisting of 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, and super studios. This development, approved by the KSAMC, is approximately 5 minutes from the foot of Red Hills, making it centrally positioned for ease of access to supermarkets, schools, and banks. The 2 bedrooms consist of a large kitchen with eating counter and dining area ideal for entertaining, a spacious balcony, 2 bathrooms, a powder room, storage area, and personal laundry. The 1 bedrooms boast a spacious kitchen with eating area, dining room, balcony, and personal laundry. And our super studios have a large kitchen and dining area, large closet, spacious balcony, bathroom, personal laundry, and storage space. The Casa Feliz interior sparkles with flooring covered with elegant porcelain tiles. The master bathrooms are large and fitted with modern finishes, his and her face basins, and a large standing shower. The windows are tinted and have protected mesh, and the doors are a combination of sliding doors and hardwood raised panels. And the external walls are rendered with mortar in aesthetically pleasing trowel-on finish. Completing the exterior theme is the roofing, which is part cement and part Metro Roman. The general amenities at the Casa Feliz are a beautifully landscaped environment, guardhouse at the gate, each unit wired for broadband, remote control gate, entertainment area with swimming pool, each apartment piped for solar, and AC in the master bedroom.